Wait, did Meta just make Midjourney completely free? I'm not kidding. What I'm about to show you lets you generate unlimited Midjourney style images and even full AI videos. And it's all inside Meta AI. At first, it looks just like a regular ChatGPT interface, but it's hiding something insane. You can create ultra-realistic 8K images, restyle them instantly with a single click, and even turn them into cinematic AI videos. All of this completely free. I tested it with 6 different prompts, everything from realistic portraits to anime, and the results are unbelievable. So in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to use this new Meta AI tool to generate stunning images and videos like a pro. And yes, all of my prompts are in the description, so you can try them right after watching. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of AI tool you want me to review next. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing you more insane AI discoveries like this one. Make sure you watch till the end, because this might just be the biggest AI leak of the year. Let's jump in. Okay, so click the link in the description or comment section to come to this website. When you arrive, this might look like your normal ChatGPT interface, but it's not. Even though you can ask it a couple of things, much like you use ChatGPT and Gemini, it has other functions like image and video generations. So we are going to create several images and videos with this particular tool, and it's really amazing. I have a couple of prompts prepared. All of the prompts that I use in this particular video can be found in the description or the comments section. To start creating, you can click on this plus sign here and then click Create, or you can simply click this Create button here. You should then see a page like this. This page indicates where you can type in your prompt and everything. So, first of all, I'm going to input a simple prompt. A simple prompt. Okay, I'll copy it and I'll paste it in over here. I'll input the prompt, and before I hit Generate, you can actually select an aspect ratio. You can choose from 1:1, 9:16, or 16:9, whichever you prefer. Okay, so I'll stick with this particular one. I can also select Aesthetics to adjust the variety, weirdness, and stylization. However, I'm going to leave everything on default for now, and I'll hit Send. So, the generation is started. Let's wait for it. Good. This is really beautiful. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. The details in this are amazing. The details are really, really amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. Wow. The details, everything. That is impressive. That is impressive. All right, so let's create some more images. I have about 6 prompts here that I'm going to use in this particular tutorial, okay? So I'll copy the next one, and I'll paste the prompt here, okay? And I'll leave everything as it is, all right? And I'll hit Send. That is also generating. Let's give it a moment. Okay, let's watch it. This is nice. It's really glowing. Okay. I'll create some more images. There's no way you can tell me this isn't a Midjourney model. I actually can't tell which particular model Meta is using and giving out for free, but these are truly amazing images, all right? And this is coming from straight out of Midjourney. You can't tell me otherwise. All right, so let's create some more. And I'll hit Send. Okay, this is actually an anime style image, and it really looks superb. Look at the details. Look at the details on this. It's really, really amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. Wow. The details, everything. That is impressive. That is impressive. All right, so let's create one more, and then after that, we'll start creating videos with this tool here. You're going to love this. I will input the prompt for the last image and hit Send. Let's see. Great. This is what we got. Let's see them. Okay, let me check this. This looks like a movie scene from a Hollywood movie. You see? You can restyle this to anything you want. Okay, so now we are going to generate videos with this tool here, all right? I have a couple of prompts for this as well. Okay, as I said before, all the prompts I'm using and more can be found in the description or the comment section. Let's do it. So I'll copy the first prompt for video generation. Okay, so to generate a video, you come to the Create button over here, just like we did before, okay? And you click on Image and select Video. All right? Under video generation, you can actually do image to video or text to video. We are going to start with text to video first, and after that, we'll do image to video. So I'll enter my prompt here. Okay, I'll enter my prompt here and hit Animate. And it should start generating over here for us. Let's wait a minute. So the first prompt I tried actually just got me images, all right? It only got me images. But then I had to tweak the prompt and add a few lines to it, specifically 8K resolution video, all right, before it actually gave me a video output, even though I could have just simply clicked Animate on the image. I wanted the tool to do the job right from the prompt, all right? So I'll go ahead and play it, and let's watch. It looks really cinematic. One good thing is you can actually add music to it. You can extend it, and you can also restyle it to give it a different feel. So let's say I want to extend it. Let's extend it a bit. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click Extend, and it will start extending this video for us. All right? Let's wait for it. Good, so it's done. Here it is. You see, this has been extended a bit compared to the initial one. You can still go ahead and extend it a bit further or add music or restyle it. Okay, so let me just restyle this one with this option over here, and let's see how it turns out. So that is generating over here, as you can see. This has been restyled to this particular style here. Good. So now let's create one more text to video, and then we'll do image to video. All right, so I'll copy the prompt here. And of course, I'll come back, click Create, select Video, and paste it in. And don't forget to add 4K or 8K resolution video so that it will animate it right away. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit Animate. That is also generating here. Okay, so that is also done. Let's check it out. Okay, let's play this one too. All right, it's a bit short, but you can still go ahead and make it longer by extending it, adding music, or restyling it any way you want, right? Good. So now let's do image to video. All right. You can simply come over here and choose any of the images you've generated, like, let's say I want this one, okay? You can choose any of them and just click Animate, all right? Straight like this. Good. So that is also done. Let's see. This looks nice. Okay, so you can also give it a custom prompt. You can do a custom animation, okay? So let's say I can use this one, all right? So this time around, I am not going to click Animate, which is the auto animation. Instead, I'll do a custom animate, all right? So I'll click on Custom Animate, and I'll type my prompt for what I want this particular video to do, all right? So let's say zoom in Dolly shot. All right? Good. And I can also add music to it. I can browse a whole lot of available music or search for music over here. All right? So let's say I want this one. I'll add it. All right? But of course, I'm going to mute the music out of it. I don't want any copyright issues. All right? I'll click Animate. It's generating. Let's give it a moment. So it's done as well. Let's play it. You see, that is also done. All right. Now, in case you have an image on your device that you want to turn into a video, you simply come here, all right, and select Video, and you click on Upload Image. I'm going to upload my AI avatar and turn it into video. All right, so I'll give it a prompt, okay? So I will say, he's talking and making hand gestures while talking. I'll add, he said, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll hit Animate. Let's see how it turns out. This is actually my first time trying to do something like this with it, so I don't know how it will come out. We're just about to discover it, right? So let's wait for it. All right, so I think it's done. Let's watch it. There was no audio. He couldn't say the words that I wanted him to say, but it was able to animate it so well. All right? The animation is so crazy. It's really, really nice. All right? Just that it didn't say the words I wanted it to say. All right, guys, there you have it. This is Midjourney made free in Meta AI. I don't actually know which model of Midjourney is being made available for free. If any of you know, kindly leave it in the comments section, and also tell me which AI tool you want me to review next. All right? Maybe, just maybe, your suggestion might be the next video on this. I love you all, and keep on watching Big Wiz Media. Tell somebody about Big Wiz Media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.